making noise again. This is with the sport mode on, so it's the loud mode, but it just sounds so good. Put my turbine housing insulation back on. That guy will go there.